This new LCBO is the first of its kind, using restricted amount of space wisely to get the most out of a very dense urban area. The site is a convenient location for consumers since there are about 30,000 local residents in this area. In total, it is 8,500 square feet, which does not include the 5,000 square feet of display space, and was built in 2014 on Queen Street, East Toronto. The team needed to think about how the building's details, along with the floor plan, should flow in a way that would maximize the space. The team was successful because they worked close together with the client to create a concept that perfected the exterior, interior, graphics, and fixtures of the structure. The design tactic they chose was a modern layout with old design components. For the exterior, they created a full double-story facade, creating a strong street presence, dark bronze mullion framing gabions, and a wire cage filled with rocks. This was dramatic to lend a sense of history and context. For the interior, there are high ceilings, herringbone tile flooring, bleached oak wood, and recycled wine barrels. The aisles are seen as runways for displaying high-end products in a fashionable way. Also, there is a wide selection of local and international goods being sold. The only downside to this building is not by architects themselves, but by the liquor company, since they need to negotiate better prices from suppliers in order to have happier consumers. The next infill design was created by Clausen in Haarlemmerstraat, Amsterdam, in 1997. It is a set of residential buildings designed to revive the area without ruining the pre-existing history and culture of the site. So the architects chose to restore and rebuild past structures with microsurgical precision. By doing so, they were able to keep the history intact yet still accomplish a modern revival on new buildings with unique aesthetics inside and out. There is an all-glass facade facing the sidewalk, allowing people passing by to see the staircase spiraling on the interior with the living spaces hidden behind. With 2 lots being taken up by this new structure, 3 rental social housing units were created for the internal components. Overall, Clausen was successful because they were able to achieve their goal in creating functional housing units while still taking into consideration the context the structure would be surrounded by.